time for your motherfucking neighborhood Jesus, your motherfucking shade the way.
Jesus, take the wheel.
What's good, bitches? So first drive with you guys, I gave you a startup in the other one. Basically, in a nutshell, we're gonna take the car, go grab some coffee, but I thought I'd let you guys see how the car, the Megapower RR sounds inside the cabin, see if it's too loud, how's it sound. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, just booting up K-Pro. Until I get the car tuned, K-Pro's life. Just making sure the fuel system's doing its thing. Making sure everything's calibrated correctly. Plug in our USB. Boot doo-doo-doo. I'll close the door. Gotta love that return system. Fires up. Let's press our lightning bolt to do diagnostics. Feels good though, honestly. It doesn't sound anymore like when I saw the YouTube clips of the Megapower RR, other people's DC5s with it on. I wasn't impressed. I really wasn't. It sounded overly loud and not in a good way. But I guess with my setup or the fabrication we had to do, or probably just my setup, honestly, I think it sounds really nasty. And it doesn't sound any louder than the Veil side with straight pipe. Like, we have a fucking resonator and it sounds about the same, honestly. I think if we deleted the resonator on this shit, it would probably be really fucking loud. I just came from driving open race header for 4 days, so I think anything's gonna sound quieter than what I've been used to the past week. Yeah, after kind of like doing some brainstorming about this, like why was my car cutting out, wouldn't turn over and stuff. I don't think the wideband or the flex fuel sensor have anything to do with it. And if they do, it's a low voltage. It's very, very not much. Something else I noticed about, I don't know if it's just new exhausts in general or these two exhausts, the HKS and the Skunk 2 Megapower RR. Obviously, they're not the same size piping. When you get a new exhaust, I don't know if it's like the piping's brand new or something. When you shift, you hear this whoosh noise. It sounds like a whistle, almost reminiscent of a blow-off valve. Now, before you guys roast me in the comments, like, bro, he thinks his exhaust is turbo. Nah, not at all. I'm just talking about the sound characteristic, like a whoosh. You hear this whistle noise when you fucking shift. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it or not, but I remember on the HKS video, the reaction to full bolt-ons video, which I've taken down because like that video gets so much traffic from Google, just brings their own kind of viewers here. People that are just like, they're not even really DC5 enthusiasts. They're just like, they just happen to own an RSX, so fuck them. So I took that video down. It had like almost 20,000 views. Not worth my time. I'm not trying to get views and likes and subs. If I get them, I get them. But I want to attract the right kind of viewer. And if I don't, then I don't want them. That's what it comes down to. But yeah, it's when you're on high pressure, high load, you shift, and then the motherfucker like does this like whoosh noise. Somebody's BMW's broken down. Haha. Yeah, I guess it's just the exhaust gas coming out there so fast, you know what I mean? I guess that's what it is. I don't fucking know. yeah, the exhaust for daily, for just like puttering around like this, it sounds about the same. Loud. Feels really responsive, honestly. See, my gas gauge is like something that's of concern. It gets low and then it comes back high. Like, not like fucking empty to full or something, but you know, it was almost on empty and now it's about an eighth of a tank. Now, I don't understand why that is. Air fuels are looking good, 14.9, 14.7, bumping around a little bit. There's really no way to, you know, I mean, unless you're like OCD as fuck, it's gonna bump around a little bit, you know, but anywhere from like, you know, 14 to 15 on chilling, pretty standard, you know, safe. Might not be optimum, but is what it is. It's so fucking hot out, man. Engine coolant temp 182, intake air temperature fucking 114, bro. 114. I need some like 80-degree intake temps. That's what I want. We need some cold weather. That's what we need. You know, I've been short shifting like crazy, guys. Just trying to keep everything safe, but I mean, my air fuels and K-Pro's telling me everything's all good. So, true story. Let me know down in the comments below. This has been a widely discussed topic for me for the past few weeks. Ideas for a daily. Cheap dailies, a little more expensive dailies, expensive dailies. Where would you put your money? Would you get something cheap, a beater, something you gotta work on? Would you get something that's kind of almost all the way there, like a 06 TSX or something like that, but it might need a new clutch or something? Or would you like buy like some new Acura or Honda, like a FK8 or a I don't know, a TLX Type S or some shit like that? What would you buy? I gotta say though, guys, the car is driving great. I got my eyes on me personally. If I could find an EG hatch as a project car, I feel like that wouldn't be a daily, man. That'd be another one of these, like an EK hatch or a EG hatch or something like that. That'd be another one of these. So I almost want to get like something like one of my subscribers, Chris B, he just found a two-door FB6, you know, basically an FG4 SI. And I mean, I would have no desire to mod one of those cars other than maybe like some wheels, maybe a stereo, maybe a nicer seat or something like that, but I don't even think I would change any of that shit, you know? I would just keep it stock and use that as a daily. I almost want to get some kind of Honda or some kind of car that I know I'm not going to want to modify. Maybe because like, almost like an EP3. I feel like an EP3 is a car. I still feel like I would still modify there. I'd Type S swap it or something. Anyways, guys, pretty much sums it up for tonight. Thought I'd just take you on a ride along, let you hear how the car sounds with the new exhaust from inside the car. Thanks for watching. Comment down below about the daily. Comment how you think this sounds. You know, give me your take on things if you want. If not, fuck it. Anyways, have a good night. Be motherfucking y'all.